Lesson 89, Page Numbering. In this lesson, I'll take a look at how we can number our document so that way all of the worksheets are printed with consecutive page numbers. Okay, so here I have an Excel workbook with 4 different worksheets. And I've gone through and changed the page setup to have a footer of page 1 of ? Well, if I would print January, it might say page 1, 2, and 3. But then when I print February, it might say page 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't know to start over again at page 4 because January had 3 pages. The solution to this is to go to the Office button, choose Print, and not choose Quick Print. We actually want to go to the Print command, where we can say that we want to print the entire workbook. By printing the entire workbook, Excel will figure out how many pages are in all 4 worksheets and appropriately print the sheets with, for example, page 1 of 14, 2 of 14, 3 of 14, and then February might start 4 of 14, 5 of 14, 6 of 14, and 7 of 14, and so on. Now, what if you don't want to print all of the sheets in the workbook? Well, then we would choose January and then Control-click the other sheet you want to print. Maybe February and March, so this is a report of just the first quarter. Again, when we go back to the Office button, choose Print, and Print, we can say that we want to print just the active sheets. That will cause Excel to calculate that perhaps there's 10 pages and correctly number the pages from 1 to 10. Of course, if you've done this, we're now in group mode. Please don't forget to get out of group mode. You have to choose another sheet or right-click and ungroup. When you are in group mode, any changes you make to the visible sheet are being made to all of the sheets, which could be a disaster if you start keying data. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.